If you're looking to get short, if you're looking to exit a long, you're a seller either way. So if you're in a position or looking to get into a position, and that position is short that you're looking to get into, you're a seller. If you're looking to exit a long for a profit, let's say you're a seller. What do you want to see in our tool of buy and sell imbalance, aka the chaser? Right now, it's it's been buyers over sellers imbalance, 732 to 260, correct? Watch what happens to this thing before it moves down. It goes from a buy imbalance, nice one there, and goes up to a sell imbalance and gets your ass out of a long and or into a short. Just watch it. Watch those two numbers. Boom, 6 to 3, 5 to 3, and flips pretty quickly to 6 to 2. So from a buy imbalance here to a sell imbalance, and then it breaks a little bit, and then it breaks a lot. There is an opportunity to get on top of a break, to stay out of a bad trade or get into a good trade or exit a profitable trade at a better price. You need leadership in the tools that you're using. And if you're not following people who want to buy it versus people who want to sell it, then you're not following anything that's going to give you a clue. All right. That's one example where you had a big flip, buy imbalance to sell imbalance. But even if you had a nice buy imbalance to steady, that's information. A couple minutes later, we get um, oh, I put on here, check the OPP and the chaser. And the reason why is you could see a pop that happens. So, what happens in here that could give you a clue to get either long or don't get short? First off, the laser goes from green to red. Okay. That's a little bullish. Watch the chaser. The chaser screamed sell imbalance to buy imbalance. Look at this sell imbalance. It's already broke a little bit, right? More longs than shorts. And then boom, sell to buy, sell to balance to buy, green to red. And it puts you in a position. Let's say you are short. Boom, you can get out to stop the bleeding and not have to, chase it and be lost in a random market. And when you're right, it feels like a good guess. When you're wrong, it's just overwhelmingly random. And I know people feel like that if you don't have tools like this. And most people don't have tools like this because they don't exist anywhere. And so you see the buy and balance remain to keep people on the right side of the market, more shorts than longs, which is bullish. But let me go because I didn't record this part. I went and started it with what could get you, look at the base of this move up, right? What that's not in hindsight could keep you from being short. Who the hell wants to be short down here for a 4 or 5 point pop? Nobody. But what could keep you from being short? I want to ask you, are our tools screaming get short, get short, get short? No. Right here, it's 674 by 224. That's a buy imbalance. If anything, it's telling you to get long. Look at the OPP, green to red, 22 to 15. Now, there's not a lot, but there's more shorts than longs. Nothing in here is screaming get short, get short, get short. Let me just play at real speed. Look at the chaser, 6 to 190, 675 to 200, 6 to 130, all saying now buy it, buy it, buy it. You're getting the imbalance that's needed for the price of anything to go up. More people who want to buy it versus people who want to sell it. And you start to see the shorts pour in. You don't want long. If you're long, you don't want other people long with you. You want to be the only long in the world, possibly, if you could. But look at this imbalance continuing to show upside right side. So not only is it not telling you to get short, it's in fact telling you to get long if you're bullish. And it's insight because the only way you're going to make money in this business is to have something early, information to sharpen your predictive skills. If it's news early, a data, economic data early, a news event early, or order flow, the ability to read where the market is and when it shifts, and to be at the beginning of a change. If there's a change between sell and balance to buy and balance, you need to be at the beginning of that. And this is not just cumulative numbers from the damn DO depth of market. It's not that there's so much BS in those numbers. That's not um, the The result of that is not these numbers right in here. And then certainly the OPP, which is other people's positions, is giving you an indication of sample size of how many people are short versus how many people are long, because you don't want to be short with a lot of people or long with a lot of people. And I'm not going to get into why, most people know that. But the point is, put yourself in a position to make a prediction. And when you're right, it doesn't feel like a guess. Those that get long at the base of this bar, for these reasons I just went over, do not feel lucky when they have 3, 4, 5 point head start like this. They do not feel, because you're using some objective tools, other people's positions, and balance to imbalance between buyers and sellers, those that are moving orders around, and being able to filter out all the noise. So while it seems simple because we present it like this, the complexities are behind the numbers. I got to readjust the screen share. I see it's cutting off these numbers here, and I'll do that. But the point is, any tool that you're going to use, if it's not giving you a heads up, then it's useless. All right, it's useless. And most tools are after the fact. So it's like getting the unemployment number a day late. Great. Or getting it 5 minutes or 1 minute after everybody else. Is there an edge to it? No, there's no edge because everybody has it. So if you're getting information that everybody has access to, how important is it going to be? It's not. So put yourself in a position to sharpen your predictive skills. Um, and generally, most people are really weak on the basics. You want more or less longs when you're long? Most people would answer more. The answer is less.